To Checkers, Rally's Key Franchise Information, Series Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Checkers, Rally's. Checkers Rally's is a fast food restaurant chain known for its bold flavored burgers, hot dogs, seasoned fries, and milkshakes. The brand was formed through a merger in 1999 between Rally's, founded in 1984 in Tennessee, and Checkers, founded in 1986 in Alabama. Today, the company is headquartered in Tampa, Florida. Checkers Rally's earns revenue by serving customers through its efficient double drive-through model, walk-up windows, and e-commerce lanes. Most locations do not offer indoor dining, which helps reduce overhead costs and speed up service. Their mission is to deliver crave-worthy food fast, with a focus on value and flavor. The vision is to expand across urban and suburban markets while maintaining operational excellence and customer satisfaction. In this video, we'll explore how the Checkers Rally's franchise works, what it costs, and whether it's the right investment for you. 1. How does a Checkers Rally's franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Checkers Rally's operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the brand's strict operational standards and drive-through focused layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee from $2,000 to $3,000, plus 4% royalty and 4.5% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Checkers Rally's. Franchisees receive help with site selection, construction, training, operations, and marketing. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant and receives access to proprietary management software.
Anecdote. Checkers Rally's was once named Best Drive-Thru in America by QSR magazine, thanks to its speed and accuracy, even beating out McDonald's and Chick-fil-A in blind tests.
2. Entry costs for Checkers Rally's. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $639,998 to $226,999. This includes franchise fee, restaurant building and equipment, technology systems, signage and menu boards, inventory and supplies, soft costs like permits and legal fees. Additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual unit volume, AUV, is around $161,000. With a 15% profit margin, franchisees can expect net earnings from $59,000 to $25,000 depending on location and efficiency.
Anecdote. One Checkers location in Florida hit $1.2 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a nearby college campus and late-night hours.
3. Step-by-step. How to register a Checkers Rally's franchise and how long does it take? Key information. Registration process. Submit an application, complete a credit and background check, attend Discovery Day, and receive the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of at least $75,000 and liquid assets of $25,000. Business plans and territory proposals are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. Checkers receives over 8,000 franchise applications per year, but only a few hundred make it through the full approval process.
4. Taxes and fees in Checkers Rally's. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax, and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications, licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.28% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Checkers, Rallies charges 4.5% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. Local campaigns are optional but encouraged.
Anecdote. In one city, Checkers partnered with a local radio station for a Fries for Life giveaway, boosting traffic by 40% in one weekend.
5. Hiring employees in Checkers, Rallies. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information: number of employees. A typical location needs from 20 to 35 employees, including cooks, cashiers, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $8,000 to $2,000 depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is included in the brand support system. Training systems. Franchisees and managers complete a 5-week in-restaurant training program, plus 1 week at the Restaurant Support Center. Training includes food prep, customer service, tech systems, and financial management.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia said their team bonded during training by competing in a burger build-off, and the winning recipe made it to the local menu.
Simuchi, Checkers, and Rallies. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly. Ingredients and resources. $18,000 to $35,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $3,000 to $45,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $12,000 to $22,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $1,500 to $3,500 covering property, liability, and workers' comp. Maintenance and utility. $2,500 to $5,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $4,000 to $7,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $6,000 to $1,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%.
Anecdote. One Rally's location in Ohio had such high drive-through volume that they added a third lane, becoming the first triple-lane unit in the brand's history.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Checkers Rallies help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees complete a 4-week in-restaurant training program followed by 1 week at the Restaurant Support Center. Training covers food prep, equipment use, customer service, and financial management. Operational support. Each franchisee is assigned a franchise business consultant and receives ongoing help with operations, marketing, and performance tracking. Support includes site visits, webinars, and access to a digital dashboard. E-learning platform. Crew members use Craver University, an online portal with interactive modules, videos, and quizzes to stay up to date on brand standards. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal promotions, and customizable local marketing kits. The brand also provides social media templates and influencer partnerships.
Anecdote. One franchisee in North Carolina credited the Craver University platform for helping their team reduce training time by 40% and improve order accuracy within the first month.
8. Franchise inspections in Checkers, Rallies. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, and allergen labeling. Internal inspections. Checkers, Rally's corporate team performs quarterly audits covering cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand compliance. Frequency. Internal inspections occur every 3 months, with additional surprise visits during promotional launches or peak seasons.
Anecdote. A Rally's location in Michigan received a surprise inspection during a weekend rush and scored 100%, earning a shout-out from the regional manager and a bonus for the crew.
Earning and profitability of Checkers, Rally's. Is it really a profitable business? Key information, profitability. The average profit margin is around 15%. With annual revenues of approximately $161,000, franchisees can expect net earnings from $15,900 to $25,000 depending on efficiency and location. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 7% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 3 to 5 years. Success factors. Drive-through efficiency, low overhead, strong branding, and high-margin menu items like fries and shakes contribute to profitability.
Anecdote. One multi-unit operator in Texas reported breaking even in just 28 months, and now owns 7 locations across 3 states.
Treat Checkers Chi Rallies in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Checkers Rallies operates over 484 locations across the U.S., with 362 franchise-owned and 122 company-owned units. The brand is known for its double drive-through format and bold flavors. Growth and expansion. The company is expanding in California, Nevada, and the Carolinas, with new prototypes designed for urban and non-traditional sites. All formats include e-commerce lanes and walk-up windows. Challenges, labor shortages, food inflation, and competition from brands like Sonic, Burger King, and Five Guys have impacted margins. However, Checkers Chi Rallies maintain strong customer loyalty and efficient operations. Forecast. Analysts expect continued growth through resale opportunities and modular builds. The brand is also investing in AI-powered drive-through tech to improve speed and accuracy.
Anecdote. In 2024, Checkers launched a voice AI ordering system in select locations and saw a 12% increase in order speed and a 9% boost in upsells.
11. Pros and cons of a Checkers Rallies franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A. Strong brand recognition and drive-through efficiency. B. Lower startup costs than many competitors. C. High average unit volume and strong margins. D. Flexible building formats for urban and suburban markets. Cons. A. Limited indoor dining options may reduce foot traffic. B. High labor intensity during peak hours. C. Market saturation in some regions. Strict operational standards and limited menu flexibility.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio said, "It's not just about flipping burgers, it's about mastering the rhythm of the drive-thru. Once you do, the profits follow."
No. 12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information. Market research. Study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Checkers, Rallies owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the franchise disclosure document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Checkers, Rally's training, tech, and marketing support with other burger franchises. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a pizza brand until they saw Checkers' drive-through model and realized burgers move faster and sell hotter.
Conclusion. Who is the Checkers? Rally's franchise for, and is it worth investing? Checkers. Rally's is ideal for entrepreneurs who value speed, flavor, and efficiency. With average annual revenues of $161,000 and profit margins around 15%, it offers solid returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 3 to 5 years, making it a competitive option in the fast food space. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $63,998 to $2,26,999, and the brand enforces strict standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Checkers' Change Rallies is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for drive-through service. If you're ready to hustle, lead a team, and deliver bold flavors fast, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2023, a Checkers location in Atlanta broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 3,000 customers in 24 hours, all through the drive-thru. Bibliography, Franchise Times, Franchise Business Review, Franchise World, Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises. Zaxby's. Is Zaxby's a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. I thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.